In last period, we had started the chapter number 6, nouns. Nouns means the name of the person, place, things and animal. Words that we say or write are divided into different groups according to the work they do in a sentence. These groups are called parts of speech. And there are 8 parts of speech: noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Now, in this chapter we had discussed about nouns and we had done these exercise also. We had done this exercise question number B also. In this exercise the pictures are given there and we have to write what the picture are: place, person, thing or animal. So we have to write P, PL, T or animal or A for the animal. We had completed this page also and now we will go to the next page, exercise C. Now question number C. Circle the nouns in the following sentences. Manya studies in my school. In this sentence, is there any name of any person or place? Yeah, yes. The first word Manya is the name of a person. Studies in my school. So school is the name of the place. So you have to circle on school and Manya both. In second sentence, 2 girls are absent today. So girls are the nouns. You have to circle on girls. Then this pen has no ink. This pen is a thing, so you have to circle on pen. The doctor gave him medicine. The doctor is a person and you have to circle on doctor. Gave him medicine. Medicine is also a thing, so you have to circle on medicine. Like this, you have to do all these 9 sentences. Wherever the nouns are there, you have to circle on it. Afterward, next exercise, underline the nouns in the following story. 5 mice live happily in a big house. So 5 mice. Mice are the animal. You have to underline this. Live happily in a big house. House is also a noun. So you have to underline the house. But one day the master of the house brings a cat to scare them. One day master of the house. So master is also noun. Again house is a noun. Brings a cat. Cat is an animal. So you have to underline here also, to scare them. Like this you read rest of the sentence and underline the nouns and try to do by yourself. I will send the answer today in Teno. So you check the answer you had done properly or not. Then exercise C. Here fill in the blanks with suitable nouns from the box. Here are all the nouns are given here and you have to write at proper place, means in the proper blank. I was not well, so I went to a. Where will we go if we are not feeling well? Where will we go? We will go to the doctor. So I was not well, so I went to a doctor. My dash is old and walks with a stick. So from here, what will we write? Grandmother. So my grandmother is old and walks with a stick. Then third, our dash told us to open the English grammar books. Our teacher. So here you have to write the teacher. Our teacher told us to open the English grammar books. And two other blanks are there on the next page, page number 21, that you three blanks are there on page number 21. You have to write the answer from these box. So rest of the three you will write by yourself. I am sending answers in 10 of today only. So you check it from this. And rest of the exercise E we had done, F, G and page number 22, that we will do in the next period. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.